How to use Stage Manager iPad. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to use Stage Manager in your iPad. So first of all you have to do is just simply open the settings in your iPad, and after that just simply scroll down, and over here you have the option which says multitasking and gesture, which is the newly added feature in the iPad after the update. And over here you have different options like full screen app, windowed apps, and stage manager. So just simply click on stage manager, and now the stage manager has been activated. And once this is activated, now you can go ahead and resize and arrange the size of the application that you're using. And as soon as you arrange the and or resize the application in the screen, you can see that you have different windows that you were using, or the preview of the different application that you were using earlier. So in order to switch between these application, all you have to do is just simply click on that particular window that you would want to open. So what will happen, this current window will close, and the window that you will click will activate like this. And as soon as you make the space for this again, you can see that the application has been activated. This application has been activated now. And if you want to open two windows simultaneously, all you have to do is just simply long press on one of the window that you would want to open along with the one that has been already on your screen. Just simply long press on it and just drag it over here. And now as you can see that you have two different screen that you can use simultaneously on your iPad. But using multiple screen on such a small screen looks very cluttered. So this might feel better on MacBook or a bigger screen of iPad. So yeah, basically this is how you will be able to use Stage Manager in your iPad. I hope you find this video to be helpful.